Hi, my name is Neil Henning and I'm a developer here at TPO. In this video, we're going to create a calculated key metric that displays a percentage of benefits that have been realized. This is a useful portfolio and benefits management metric because it gives stakeholders a quick indication of how much planned value have already been achieved. Now I'm going to add this key metric to our management dashboard. I'm going to click on Edit, add the widget, choose a key metric, and ensure that the benefits entity is selected. I'm going to add this. I'm going to save it in this state. Now I'm going to click on the gear icon of this metric to configure it. I'm going to change the type to calculated. I'm going to choose percentage. And remember, when we choose percentage, we multiply the value that you get here by 100 and display the percentage sign on your key metric as well. We can also set the amount of decimals. I'm going to keep this as 2. And then I'm going to have a caption as percentage benefits realized. And I'm going to choose a blue color to convey the information. Now we can build a formula. The calculation is the count of benefits where the status equals realized divided by the total benefit count. In simple terms, what percentage of benefits have been realized? So in our math toolbox, we can drag the arithmetic block and we change this to divide. Then we need in our math toolbox the count if block, and in here we drag the custom list overdue to the left hand side. This can be changed, but obviously we want the realized ones. And then out of our math toolbox we want the count, which counts all the records or all the benefit records. And then we can press save. The key metric will now display the percentage of benefits that have been realized. As benefits changes over time, the metric automatically recalculates. This example demonstrates how count if calculations can be combined with percentage formatting to create simple but powerful business performance indicators. Metrics like this help organizations quickly measure whether expected business value is actually being delivered. Thanks for watching.